Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to share a note to everyone on Instagram using the app on your PC, featuring the latest update. This is a great way to broadcast a quick message to your followers in a simple and effective way. Let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the left side menu where you'll find several options. Click on the Messenger icon. This is where all your direct messages and notes are managed. Next, you'll see your current note at the top of the Messenger screen. Click on your note to start writing. This is your chance to share whatever message you want, whether it's a quick update, a shout-out, or something fun to engage your followers. After writing your note, it's time to decide who will see it. Click on the sharing options and choose followers that you follow back. This ensures that your note reaches people with whom you have a mutual connection, making your message more personal and relevant. Once you've set your audience, simply hit the share button. Your note will now be visible to everyone in that group, right at the top of their Instagram inbox, making it easy for them to see and respond. And that's it. Sharing a note on Instagram via the PC app is straightforward and quick, especially with this new update. It's a perfect way to keep your followers in the loop or just share a little something special throughout your day. Try it out now and enjoy connecting with your followers in a fresh, interactive way. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on making the most of your Instagram experience.